Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 9 divided by 1 over 9 divided by 9. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression we have two divisions and as we know, when we have two divisions we have to work from left to right. So first 9 divided by 1 over 9. According to the KCF rule, we can write 9 times just 9 and divided by 9. Okay. Now, as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first 9 times 9, which equals 81. So 81 divided by 9. And 81 divided by 9 gives us just 9. So our final answer to this problem is 9.